Hi EDU 153. I haven't done a video in a while, so I thought I'd take this opportunity to look at the assignments for week 7. We're almost finished with class. You guys have done a great job of keeping up, and I know this happens at a fast pace. Be sure you keep up with both your assignments that are in Blackboard and the MindTap assignments as they are due. And let me know if you have questions about any of that. All right, let's take a look at the week 7 folder. We're continuing to talk about nutrition, feeding schedules for infants, toddlers, and preschoolers, and also school agers. You will notice that you are still reviewing chapter 19. You did some of the quizzes and video assignments from that last week, but because you're continuing to work on planning for children and adding those concepts to lessons, I added that in there for you to review as well. So there are resources here about feeding infants. There's also some information about some issues with feeding or issues with nutrition, for example, malnourishment, as well as preventing obesity. And then there are resources from DCDE about acceptable meal patterns for children. When we look at the assignments folder, you'll see that your cooking activity video is due this week. And your cooking activity plan is due as well. Remember, you need to have that literacy piece connected to your cooking activity plan. So it might be a recipe card, it might be a piece of literature that you're using, but there needs to be a literacy connection to your cooking activity plan. And of course, your goal for this plan needs to relate to helping children understand nutrition, so you want to be sure you only include healthy food choices in your cooking activity plan. It is a teacher-directed plan. Now, for the demonstration, you are going to create a video using YouTube, and your video, your recipe, of course, should be nutritionally sound. It's already addressed up at the top. You should have developmentally appropriate literature component to that. You should show the picture recipe or direction cards that you created to go along with your recipe, and you should set up the foods and materials as you would set them up for the children. You do not have children in this video. You are describing what you would do with children. You're sharing the materials. You are basically using this video to share with your classmates what you planned and how you would implement it with children, but you should not and do not need children in the video with you. You're explaining what to do. If you have any questions about that, please let me know. Don't forget about your end of chapter quizzes and your video case studies in MindTap as well. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'm here if you need anything. Just reach out.